Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to come on and share a purchase that I made on Aliexpress. So I started opening these items, but I decided that I would record and share it with you. So I bought a few items from Aliexpress for stocking stuffers, smaller items and things like that. Things that I know my daughter would want or my son. And so I already started opening, but I wanted to show you some of these items that I purchased. I really don't know the price off the top of my head right now because I really just wanted to share what I found, but I can link these items down below if you want. So I found these earrings. They're supposed to be sterling, 925 sterling. Here they go. Now, so I thought these were a little bit smaller, but they're very nice. So just wanted to show you what they look like. And so I can definitely give these to my daughter, put it in her stocking. She is turning 17, so she can definitely wear these, or I can wear them. But pretty nice. So I found those. Then I found this here. This is for my son. He likes wearing stainless steel jewelry. And so he does wear a crucifix. And so I saw this one here and I thought that this would be really nice for him. It has the onyx. It's black. And it has the very pretty crucifix. But I thought it was a little bit larger, but still very, very nice. I'm just going to bring it up so you can see it. Very pretty. Very nice. And the chain. So I thought I would get him that. And so it didn't come together like this. I just put it together. The chain comes separate. I mean, they come together, but it's not, the cross is off the chain. So I found that. And then I found this for my daughter. She's into bracelets and things like that. So I thought this one would be a nice bracelet to give her. So all the items that you see here that are silver are supposed to be sterling. Now, I don't know. I'm hoping that it is really sterling, but yeah, they all say 925 on them. Look how cute. Very pretty bracelet. Then there's this one here that I just opened, but I didn't get to take it out. This is a ring. Comes in this little container. And I think I purchased this one for my daughter. So I'll be putting all of these small little items in her stocking. Very pretty. So it has a little heart and some little diamonds, cubic zirconia diamonds. Very, very pretty. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to bring it up a little bit more. See that? Very pretty. And the part here is adjustable, so you can adjust the size, which is good. Very pretty. That's that. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so here, these were, I think these were for my son, if I'm not mistaken, because he does wear things like this. He loves his beaded bracelets and things like that. So yeah, so I purchased that for him. These are really nice. They're made out of wood. You have like the black And you have like the gray, the brown. These are all so nice. Even I would wear these. Look how nice they are. So that's for him. And then we have more earrings, and I did purchase 2 of these because I wanted one of these for myself. But again, I thought these were a little bit smaller, but the size is really nice. So these are supposed to be sterling silver as well. And this is what it looks like. That's the thickness. Very nice. So I have 1 pair, one to put for my daughter, and this one's the same exact pair here. I'm just going to take a really quick look at it and make sure they're okay. Yes, so they're identical. Very nice. The way that I can tell if they're sterling silver is if I wear them and they don't irritate. Then I know that they're silver, because I can't really use anything that's not silver or gold. So I guess that's the way I test it. Here's another item here. Let's see. I did buy a few things. I just don't remember. Here's another set of earrings. These are more like an oval style. These are very pretty. Those are nice. Also says $9.25. And I like that this part here is fairly thick. Very nice. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, so I have a few of these. Actually, I received a few of these ahead of time. I don't know why they separated from the order, but these are really nice. These have the initial. So I did purchase a few of these with different initials for family members. And look how pretty this one is. So it just has the initial in the middle, and they are black. They're all black. So I did order like 3 or 4 of these. These are really pretty. See? This one's not for me, so very nice. These are great for little trinkets that you can give out, and you know, they're personalized, because you can do initials and things like that. So let's see what this one is here. Oh, that's for my son. This is kind of like his style. He loves bracelets and things like that. He has like a long beard, he has long hair and things like that. So this is like the style that he likes. This is really nice. This goes, ooh, look at that. That's cool. See that? Almost looks like it's leather. It may be or maybe not, but look how nice that is. And you can just, it has that closure. Very nicely made. See that? These are really nice for gifts. I love that. Again, if you're interested in the price or the item, I can just link it down below. Just let me know, send me a comment, and I'll be happy to do that, okay? Because these are really nice. I'm very happy with that. Let's see what else. Sometimes, you know, you get disappointed because these items are fairly affordable in price, and then when you get them, they're not good quality. So far, I am very happy. Oh, look at this. What's all this here? So we have another earring here. I did buy different ones. This was kind of similar, but it kind of thins out at the end. These are pretty. So you see how this one, even though they're very pretty, you see how the part right here is very thin. I really don't like that. I feel like they break easily. but I will definitely use them. And it does say that 9.25, but I don't know. I guess we'll see. Only time will tell. But these are very nice too. And maybe I'll give some of these out, because I don't know that I'm going to wear every single one of them. That's nice. Then we have a bracelet. This is for my daughter. Very nice. I wanted to get her like charms so she can like add to this. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. I think she's going to be happy with that. And then we have here one more. It's very small, whatever this is. Oh, this is a ring. I'm not sure if this is my ring or hers. I think this is mine because she's a 7. That's really pretty. So it's kind of like a twisty ring. That's very pretty. So it kind of looks like a braid, or like twisted all the way through. All the way through. And then it has like the little diamonds in the front. And it also says that it's sterling 9.25. That's very pretty. I'm going to put it on now. Look at that. Very, very pretty. So I'm happy with that one. I'm just going to put it aside for now. Okay, we have 2 more bags. And we have 2 more rings. Oh, that's pretty. This looks really small though. This is definitely not going to fit me. I don't know if I took the wrong size. I might have. Very pretty though. Look at that. This may fit my daughter though, so I'll give it to her. Look how pretty that is. Can you see that? I don't know if the camera's picking up. It has like flowers. And then it has like this swirl. That's really pretty. So pretty. That's one, and this is the second one here. I think that one was supposed to be mine, but I don't think that's going to fit my finger. Here we have another one. Very pretty as well, but not what I wanted, I think, because it's open. How can I take this out of here? It's open on the back, and I don't like rings that are open in the back, so my daughter may have to take this one too. See that? Has the opening. Very pretty though. Has a very simple, but it has a little flower. That's really cute. I'm going to put these together in here. I can just put it in here. Make it interesting. And we have one more bag. And then there's one more item that I don't think it's jewelry. Oh, this is another pair of earrings. These are nice. Ooh, these are really nice, and they're small, which I like. I think I'll be wearing these. Oh, these are really pretty. So this is what they look like. And they had like some texture. It's really nice. Kind of looks like glitter, but it's not. Very pretty. Those are really nice. I like those. They're not super large. So pretty. So that is it for the jewelry, but I do have one more item here, but I'm not sure what it is. Let's see. Oh, we do have one more piece here. I'm not sure what this is. Okay. What is this here? Is this another bracelet? Oh yes, this is another bracelet. Yes, this is the one with the heart. This is really pretty. And this is for my daughter too. Oh my god, I like this one a lot. So I think that goes there. Look how pretty that is. Oh, this is the one with her initial. So it has her initial there. So gorgeous. I think she's gonna love this one a lot. Look how beautiful. Yeah guys, so go check out Aliexpress for little trinkets like this, you know, that you can just put like in stockings, or these are great for that. Love that. Love that. I forgot about this one. She's gonna love that one. Let me see what this is here. Oh, now I know what this is. These are for my son. So I ordered him some earbuds. And they're called Eraser, to see if these would be something that he can use. He usually wears like the name brand ones like Samsung, and he likes those, but I thought that maybe he should try another brand that's not so expensive, because sometimes the brands that are not expensive work really well. So I found these. I'm not sure how much these cost. They're probably like $12, $14, something like that. And so I'm just gonna give these to him for Christmas and see if maybe he'll like the quality. And he does like the ones that look like that are very short, because he can wear them for work. Yeah, so that was it. So yes, my friends, thank you so much for joining me. I just wanted to come and share that with you guys, so you know, you guys can have ideas. And if you decide that you want to order anything from Aliexpress for the stocking stuffers, is great. Their prices are affordable. I think it comes in within 7 days, 7 to 9 days, something like that. So yeah guys, thank you so much for joining me. I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you want me to link any of these items down below, just let me know which one and I'll do that for you. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless. Bye bye.